Hello, today I'm in BMW F40. In this video I'll show you how to enter Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. In the beginning, make sure that your smartphone is connected with car via Bluetooth. Once it is, go to Communication and Mobile Devices. Select your smartphone and select Connection Mode. Now select Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Confirm. Now confirm on your smartphone. And it's done. Thanks to Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, you can use telephone, music, maps, messages, settings and more. To leave Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, select BMW. To enter it back, select Apple CarPlay. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.